Next in our lineup of Chrysler Classics is this stunning 1957 Dodge Custom Royal D-500 convertible. It's one of 2,456 units produced and is powered by a Hemi 325 cubic inch 285 horsepower V8 engine. This frame-off restoration by well-known classic car builder and collector Benny Buckner sports an aftermarket air conditioner and factory drum brakes. This beauty with its red over white paint is indeed a head turner and would certainly look good in your collection. Be sure to check this one out. On behalf of Kruse Auctions, I'm W.Y. Lamb, Consignment Specialist. Thank you.